4 minus 4 equals 0. And 0 times 2 minus 4 gives us negative 2. So 0 times negative 2 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we work from left to right. And the same goes for addition and subtraction. So here we first do these parentheses. 4 minus 4, then times 2 minus 4 gives us negative 2. Now we first do this multiplication. So 4 minus 4 times negative 2. 4 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. And this is equal to 4 minus times negative 8 gives us plus 8. And 4 plus 8 equals 12. So our final answer to this problem is 12.